Have you ever wondered what it really means to be happy? Is it money, success, or peace inside your heart? Sometimes we chase happiness everywhere, but forget to look within. Let me tell you the story of three brothers, Raj, Dev, and Arjun, who each searched for happiness in their own way. The three brothers lived in a small village surrounded by green fields and tall mango trees. Their father was an old farmer, kind, simple, and wise. Before he passed away, he told them, "My sons, life will test you, but if you find the secret to true happiness, you'll never feel poor again." After their father's death, the brothers decided to find that secret. Raj, the eldest, thought happiness meant money. He said, "If I'm rich, I'll be free. I'll buy everything I want." So he moved to the city, worked day and night, and soon became a businessman. He had cars, a big house, and fine clothes. But inside, he felt empty. He was always tired, always thinking about more. His smile faded. Dev, the second brother, thought happiness meant fame. He said, "If people love me, I'll be happy." So, he became a singer. His songs played everywhere. People clapped, cameras flashed, crowds shouted his name. But when the lights went off and the room grew quiet, he felt alone. He realized applause can't fill a lonely heart. Arjun, the youngest, was different. He didn't go anywhere. He stayed in the same little village, helping others, fixing roofs, teaching children, sharing food with the old and poor. He didn't have much, but he laughed every day. One day, his brothers came home after many years. Raj wore a gold watch, Dev had fancy clothes, but both looked tired. "Arjun," said Raj, "you have no wealth, no fame, yet you smile. What's your secret?" Arjun smiled gently and said, "Brothers, do you remember what Father said? He told us to find happiness. I found mine right here, in giving, in gratitude, in simple living." He continued softly, "When I share my time, I feel rich. When I help someone, I feel loved. When I sit under the tree and watch the sunset, I feel peaceful. That's happiness." Raj and Dev looked at each other, and for the first time, they didn't argue. They sat beside Arjun, watching the sun sink behind the fields. No noise, no rush, just the soft sound of birds going home. That evening, Raj laughed freely for the first time in years. Dev sang a quiet tune, not for fame, but from his heart. They finally understood happiness isn't something you find outside. It's something you grow inside. Moral: true happiness doesn't come from wealth or fame. It comes from peace, kindness, and gratitude. If you like this story, please give it a like and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more inspiring English stories like this one. See you in the next story. Stay kind, stay peaceful, and keep learning.